Welcome to Telemetry Rush, an XR racing analytics experience built for MetaQuest. The desktop racing application, built for another hackathon, is streamed as immersive 360 video surrounding the players with the action. You can even stand up, leave the car and walk around the racing track. From the moment you enter, the design guides you naturally. Buttons float where you expect them, charts appear in 3D space, and interactions feel intuitive. Let's start the live stream and check out how the race is progressing so far.
You rest assured, and that is it is going to be a good fight out on this track, because when you
can even turn on pass-through and reach for a drink to be always aware of your surroundings.
Very good time. Well, let's go ahead and run you through the starting grid for today's race. As we said, Weston Workman starting in pole position, holding on to his championship lead. Ethan Goulart to his outside for Tech Sport Racing. Behind him, it is Parker DeLong, another one of those.
And if that's not enough, just spawn your own racing car and be part of the race. You can control your car with the buttons provided by the UI. This will be further improved in future versions by controller support. But for now, let's check if we can keep up with the other races.
Kicked up in front there by Jeremy Fletcher. The battle for fourth starting to play out between Parker DeLong and Will Robusto. Robusto leads in that orange and blue machine, but DeLong right on the rear, and that's Peyton Fayen having an off going down into turn one.
Yeah, and she's stuck. She won't be able to move there while other cars come at her at turn one. And finally, Rutledge Wood goes by, and Fayen can get turned back around, and doesn't look like there's a lot of damage on that car. Turn one's a big commitment corner. We'll have a look at a replay here to see exactly how she found herself in this.
Telemetry Rush runs smoothly at a high frame rate per second on Quest 3, ensuring a reliable and responsive experience. It leverages meta tools like pass-through camera access and hand interactions to make the experience feel natural. Behind the scenes, a WebSocket backend streams telemetry data in real time, while Unity powers the rendering and chart visualization. Every feature is engineered for responsiveness, reliability, and seamless interactivity. Want to change perspective? Switch instantly between cockpit and trackside views. There is even a bird view to show you everything that's going on the racetrack. Telemetry Rush combines innovation, design, technical excellence, and polish into one XR racing analytics experience. Built for Quest, it's immersive, interactive, and unforgettable. Telemetry Rush is not just an entertainment app, it's the future of entertainment, where racing data comes alive.